Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your Go mobile bank app. So let's get started. So to use that app, you have to follow this easy step. So here we will just open the app. Okay, Go mobile app. So here we can see the app. So here we will just log in, select the language. So here we are doing English, submit. So from here you have to enter your customer ID number, here your 4-digit MPIN. So if you have a savings account, you can open from here as well, and you can see the other things from as well from here. So by this way you can do it and use the app. And if you have any question or any doubt related to this app, you can let me know in my comment section as well. So you can just log in and use as a customer. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.